Sairam everyone. Children, today in Value Education, we are going to start a new chapter. Children, in India, we celebrate so many types of festival, right? We celebrate Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan. Also, we celebrate Bhai Dooj, correct? So today, the topic that we are going to see in this chapter is related to Bhai Dooj, okay? And the story starts with river Yamuna. Our chapter number 5 is also the river Yamuna. Let us see what the story is about. The river Yamuna is the largest tributary of river Ganges, that is Ganga, in northern India. It originates from the Yamunotri glacier on the southwestern slopes in the lower Himalayas in Uttarakhand. The river Yamuna merges with Ganga at the Triveni Sangam in Allahabad, where the Kumbh Mela is held every 12 years. It passes through several states like Uttarakhand, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Delhi. The river Yamuna is also worshipped and respected like the river Ganges throughout its course. So here they have given an introduction about river Yamuna, from where it originated, correct? Here few hard words are also there, like tributary. What does it mean? It means a river or a stream flowing into a larger river or lake. Glacier means icebergs, okay? Now, it is said that Yamuna is the daughter of the sun god and sister of Yama. Yamuna is sister of Yama, okay? The god of death. Yamuna loved her brother very much. She always requested her brother Yama to come to her house. Many times he avoided her and did not accept the invitation. But Yamuna did not leave him. She once again invited him for lunch on the first day of new moon in the month of Kartik, that is October month. To please his sister, Yama went to her on the second day of the new moon. Sister Yamuna welcomed him by performing puja to him. She applied him the holy tika on his forehead and then offered him delicious eatables. Being happy with Yamuna, Yama asked his sister to ask for any boon. Yamuna told her brother Yama to visit her every year on this particular day. She further requested not to terrify those who applied tika on this day of Dooj, that is second day of new moon, on the forehead of their brothers. This is how or why we celebrate Bhai Dooj, okay? The brothers will get a lifelong boon from their sisters on this day. Children, boon means blessing, okay? So, what happened? Yama told her sister to ask for any blessing. And what did she say? She asked that Yama should not terrify those who applied tika on this day, okay, of Dooj. Since then, this Bhai Dooj day came into existence and people are celebrating it even today, right? We are celebrating Bhai Dooj, correct? But we didn't know. So, it's because of Yama and Yamuna. The water of Yamuna is of reasonably good quality. Through its length from Yamunotri in the Himalayas to Wazirabad in Delhi. The source of Yamuna lies in the Yamunotri glacier at a height of 638 meters. It is not on the southwestern slope of Bhandar Poch peaks, which lie in the Mussoorie range of lower Himalayas in the Uttarakashi district north of Haridwar. At Yamunotri, there is a temple dedicated to goddess Yamuna. Yamuna is considered to be one of the holiest shrines of Hindus. It is a part of Chotachar Dharma Yatra. In the Rig Veda, the story of the Yamuna describes her excessive love for Yama. Yama in turn asked her to find a suitable match for herself, and she found in Lord Krishna. Yamuna Ashtakam is a hymn in praise of Yamuna, written by Vallabhacharya. Here we find the story of Yamuna's descent to the world for the sake of her beloved Lord Krishna and to purify the world. Yamuna is compassionate and loving and can grant us freedom from death, as death is the adobe of her elder brother, right? Yamuna rushes down the Kalinda mountain, and so she is also known by the name Kalindi. It is also said that the water here is dark like Lord Krishna. Children, here are few questions from the exercise. Okay, so read the lesson again and you can find all the answers in the lesson. The first one is, name the largest tributary of the river Ganga. Second one is, from where does the river Yamuna originate? Third one is, name the states through which the river Yamuna passes. Fourth is, who is Yamuna? Next is, when did Yamuna invite her brother for lunch? Sixth is, how did Yamuna welcome her brother? She put tika, right? Yeah. Seventh one is, what did Yamuna request her brother to do? Eighth is, where is Yamunotri? Ninth is, what is Yamuna Ashtakam? 10th is, why is Yamuna known as Kalindi? So all the answers are there in the lesson itself. Thank you, children.